Hi there, hi. Sudoku friends, welcome back. Good evening. Um, in the additional, it's the puzzle page of Saturday, March the 11th, 2023. We have here 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will solve. Sudoku with 3 stars, but with 28 printed digits. This one is also Sudoku with 3 stars with 26 printed digits. So I think I will do this one. Then we have a killer Sudoku. I will do this one too. 2 binaries 10 by 10, both with 3 stars. But this one has 26 printed digits. And this one has 27. So I will do this one. And the last puzzle is a tectonic with no stars. Well, right, let me start with the Sudoku with 2 stars, yeah. 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus in the additional with 26 printed digits, 26, that will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, and this will be number 609. 7. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, let me scan the puzzle. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in the first column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see here 5 in this row, no 5 there. Here 5 in the row below, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 in the third column should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see here 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, 7, 7. Okay. How about 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the middle row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the second row, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Alright. Okay. Then 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 in this column, last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Yeah. 2, 3, okay. Need a 2 here. 2 there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in the first column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see here. Digit number 2, okay. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in the third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is no 5. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. In this big square, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Okay. 3 and 9. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Let me see. Come on. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between, middle row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. So these 2 missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 1, 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 3 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Yeah. Alright. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see here 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. So Sorry for the interruption. Let me see. 6 and 8 is missing here. Yeah, 2 missing numbers. Well, we have 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so no row between. The second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. So the 6 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left then in the last column, the 3 and the 6. 3 and the 6, we have a 6 in the last column, row. Correction, 6 in the last row, so no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Then 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, there only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in the last row, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 1 box left now in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and 9 goes there. 1 box left in this last row for number 1. 1 in this column, first column, 1 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Then 4. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 it goes there. Finishing 13 minutes. Well, 3 stars, don't think so. I think it's a 1 star. Because I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I will do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the second puzzle, the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.